Hey boys and girls, and welcome to math. Let's look at our first problem of today. It says look at the dots and how they are arranged. Think about how you can find the total number of dots. Is there any other way you could group the dots to find the total? As I look, I see 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Oh, I notice a pattern. I notice there's 2 2's, and I know my doubles, 2 and 2 is 4. I see another pair of doubles, I see 3 and 3, that's 6. And I see another pair of doubles, that's 4 and 4, which is 8. So there's 8, 6, and 4. That could be another way that you could arrange the dots. So today we are going to continue practicing the make a 10 to subtract strategy for adding and subtracting numbers up to 20. This is important because it will help you add and subtract more efficiently. When we are subtracting, I talked about this yesterday. When we are subtracting, make sure that that is the number that you are putting in the tens frame. I had people trying to draw the 11 and the 4 in the tens frames, and that's not going to work because you are using the bigger number first, so there's 11, and then taking 4 away. So please make sure that you are careful that when you are subtracting, you're only drawing the bigger number in the tens frame, taking the smaller number away. Let's look at this problem. Sophia had 11 stuffed animals. There's 11. Her mom said she had to throw away 4. If she's going to throw 4 away, we are going to subtract. The 4 that had holes in them, how many did she have left? To make a 10 to subtract, first I have to decompose 4, right? So remember, I'm trying to get to 10, so 11 minus 4, well, I'm going to take 4 apart. I know that if I take 1 away from 11, I would make 10. So 11 minus 1 is 10. And then I would do 10 minus 3, because I had 3 left over. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 11 minus 4 equals 7. Sophia's sister had 15 stuffed animals. She had to throw away 7 of hers that had holes. So looking at this problem right here, it's similar to the one we just did together, but the numbers are different. We're trying to figure out how many did she have left. I know Sophia started with 15, and then she got rid of 7. So I drew my tens frame. I drew 15 out. I did not draw 15 and 7 because we are not adding. I only drew out 15. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So I have my 15. I am trying to get to 10 because I know 10 is a much easier number to work with. If I take 5 away from 15, I'm going to make 10. So if I take 5 from 7, I'll have 2 left over. So I know 5 and 2 equals 7. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to first off take 5 away because I'm trying to make 10. So 15 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gives me 10. I have 10 left over, right? And then I have 2 extra I need to take away because I have to take away 7 altogether. I've taken away 5. Now I'm going to take away 2. So if I take 2 more away, then I would be left with 8. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. We are going to do this one together, so go ahead and meet me on Zoom and we are going to try this one out.